Hello friends, this is Sofia from Ronen Wuhe. Nice to meet you here again, and now I'm in our meeting room. I'm waiting our customers to drink the tea. They will go our factory and think the contractor this tonight, because that there are so many orders for our customers and our factory this year, so that in the day we don't have so many time to make this documents and conform, so that in this case we also make the contracts in the night with our domestic customers. If you have the orders in the if you have the inquiry about the net formers and the fasteners making machines, please contact us at the time when you are convenient. We will always be here waiting for our customers. Also, now China is open, so that will come to our factory to see our machines and to drink Chinese tea. Also, we can discuss face to face.